a lot of people say they come in with like a bone out of place. It's really not. Like, you're not gonna get an image and see like, you know, a vertebra way over here or a rib sprung off of the, you know, a lot of like people say I have a rib out. It's really not out, it's just restricted. So we're just trying to restore motion back to that segment. So we'll go down and we'll feel the different segments with motion palpation. Instead of using an x-ray, we use motion palpation, and then we find the sticky segment and then try to restore motion to it. And when we're doing that, it gaps the joint capsule of the joint that's restricted. So we find the restricted joint. When we do the high velocity, low impact adjustment, that's HVLA. When we do the HVLA adjustment, we're gapping the joint of the spine or elbow or whatever joint we're doing. We're gapping that joint, and that creates a vacuum inside the joint capsule, which then makes bubbles in the synovial fluid. And when we push through the elastic barrier of the joint capsule, that pops those bubbles. That's the popping you hear and feel when we do the adjustment. That will restore motion back to the joint, help to relubricate the joint because we smashed all that synovial fluid all around. Resets neural input to the joint, gives you a little endorphin rush. So that's why you leave feeling a little taller, a little more awake. And then, you know, eventually the joint will get restricted again, just to prolong static positions we're in throughout the day or repetitive motions we do throughout the day. And that's when we say come back in. But like we usually suggest every 4 to 6 weeks for a tune-up instead of a couple times a week, you know. So we get you in, we get you fixed, and then we suggest maintenance after that.